Accredited investor, your VIP pass to premium investments with lower ticket sizes. SEBI created this concept to identify investors who are knowledgeable, sophisticated, and capable of understanding and bearing higher risks. It opens doors to exclusive investment options like PMS, AIFs, private equity, and venture capital, but at smaller entry sizes. Think of it as your VIP pass to India's premium wealth avenues. Who can become an accredited investor? Individuals, Hindu undivided families, family trusts, or sole proprietors are eligible if they meet any one of these conditions. This includes an annual income of at least 2 crore rupees or a net worth of 7.5 crore rupees with at least 3.75 crore in financial assets. Alternatively, a net worth of 5 crore rupees plus income of 1 crore rupees with at least 2.5 crore in financial assets. Note that your primary residence doesn't count toward your net worth. Let's break down the step-by-step process for becoming an accredited investor. First, you need to apply to an accreditation agency like CVL, NDML, or even a fund manager in Gift City. Next, you'll have to upload your PAN, ID proof, income tax returns or audited statements, and a CA net worth certificate. Once that's done, you'll receive your accreditation certificate, which comes with a unique number, the agency's name, and a validity period of about 2-3 years. Now, what are the real benefits of being an accredited investor? You get lower minimum investments in PMS, AIFs, and Gift City funds, plus more flexible regulations and customized strategies. For example, you will no longer need 50 lakh rupee to invest in PMS, and for AIFs, the 1 crore rupee mandatory investment is not required anymore. And in Gift City AIFs, you don't need to put in $1.5 lakh as a minimum. But remember, higher access brings higher responsibility. Always understand the product, assess your risk appetite, and consult your financial advisor. For India's high net worth individuals, accredited investor status is not just a badge, but the means to smarter access, better diversification, and tailor-made wealth opportunities. At the end of the day, wealth isn't just about earning more. It's about accessing smarter opportunities. Accredited investor status is your VIP ticket to that world. Hush, don't retire rich.